Hulas na hulas. Hulas na hulas talaga kami dito.
Ay, yung ulo niya sila sa gitna.
Welcome to... Yay! Where are we going?
To Ocean Park.
Good morning! This is Mami Ching and welcome to my channel. So today, andito na naman tayo sa isang episode ng Pasyal where we go to places na tingin namin okay puntahan ng family and mag-enjoy ang mga kids. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Ocean Park! So, i-check natin kung worth it pa rin ba puntahan, kung okay pa din ba yung mga attraction, kung na-maintain ba. So, let's go!
Let's go!
So, papasok na tayo sa Oceanario. So big. Wow. Laga ganyan. Uy. Uy. Wow. This is nice. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Kali. Wow, look. Uy po. Yun ang Kali eh. Kali, they're sharp. They're sharp. Oh. Sige lang, bro. Ito naman tayo sa trails to Antarctica. Ito yung mga penguin. Pasko na. Tay, Pasko na. Early Christmas. Hi. No man. Uy, 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 careful. Ala, careful, Kali. Here's the souvenir section. Hey, Kali. Welcome to the world of creepy crawlers. Wala! Kali.
Don't like that!
Wow. Spiders. Scary, ah. Scary.
So scary.
Scary. This is scary. Mm. Wow. Ayan. Wow. Cute. So, malambot yung ano niya.
Walang laman.
Walang laman.
Asan yung ulo?
Ayun. Uy, basta yun.
Asan yung ulo niya?
Hanapin mo.
Gutom ka din, no?
Oo nga eh.
Lambot eh.
May gutom din din.
Ha? Hotdog?
May gutom din dito guys.
This is me. I'm always gutom. I am always gutom. You know. Hala, what's this?
Parang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko. Gecko yun.
Per day. Wow. Ipis. Hello. We are here at the bird show. At ang init. Hey!
Dala kayo ng aircon.
How can we survive this? Ay, si Mami. Heatness.
May slide. Magsa-slide ata yung mga...
Yun tayo. Go, go.
And another one. She deserves it.
Diyos ko, hulas na hulas. Hulas na hulas talaga kami dito. Bakit ba tayo pumunta ng gantong araw? Sobra. Kawawa na.
See? If our lovers can do it. So,
Oh, how are you? Kali, how are you?
Hello to everyone and welcome to Monica. Much like the ocean carnival,
Yeah.
Monica is to
It's hot.
Uy, hello!
Did you know?
vulnerability meaning was an American's nest and needs. One more round of applause for Rockers and our roaming beacons. Here in Manila Park, we believe that there is hope. We all are trying to take care of our friendship, but also in the land and as well. Now guys, it was that yours. Introduce
Kali! Wow!
Hello, everyone!
Ay, wow!
Ano wala yung Pauwi na kami.
Pauwi.
Ay, pauwi na kami. Palabas na kami ng Ocean Park.
Magkakain na ano.
And okay naman, worth it naman kasi pag mga bata talaga nag-enjoy talaga sa mga animals. Yun lang talagang init. Sobrang init.
sa ngayon.
Sobrang init lang talaga. And mas okay pumunta dito pag umaga para malibot mo talaga yung lahat ng attractions. Kasi hanggang 6 p.m. lang sila. So, before 6 p.m. nagpo-close na yung mga attraction. Kaya mas maganda talaga umaga para malibot mo talaga yung lahat ng mga attraction. So, ayun. Ayun lang naman. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.